Hey, what's up, guys? I'm out here chilling with this Hovsco Porto Max that I've been riding around, and uh, and I've got a little problem. Is that I want to go to Starbucks and grab a drink, but if we look, there's no cup holder. How am I going to carry my drink? I guess I'm going to have to design one. Okay, so as you can see, I've done a little sketch on my phone, and I did some rough measurements of the important parts. So then I'll just kind of eyeball the rest. So let's start with the base here. And I'm using Moai 3D. This is the version 5 beta. Okay, there, and then this will be 31.5 wide for the radius. 31.5. And then I'll just kind of eyeball that. Maybe roughly 5 millimeters, I think. Okay, let's start the main body here. Put this in the center. And so our radius will be 31.52. Okay, that's about the same width. And then our height will be about 100 millimeters. Okay, and I'm going to drag it up just a bit. Something like that. And now, so that is the inner width. I still need to make one that's the outer width. So I'm just going to drag that, and we'll just do a few more millimeters. So this is 31.52, something like 34. Okay. So let's, I'll name this body. And then I can hide the body. There we go. Now I can scale this up. Alright, I'll get the body back. And I can select that, and then we'll subtract the cutter from it. There we go. I'll need to cut out the front part. So I'll just do that with some lines. And I'm just eyeballing this one. And then I'll mirror that. Okay, so now I can use that to cut away. And I'll select those. And now I can just delete everything in there. I'm going to need another cutter. Let's see, can we do this with lines? No. What I'll do is draw something around here. There we go. And then I can extrude that. And bring it down. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, and then I'll mirror that. Yep. And then we can subtract. There. That wasn't too hard. Okay, so I need basically like a stick for the backing part. I'll just make a box. And I'll make it something like that. Yep. And give it some height. Okay, so what I'm thinking is that we'll go all the way down to the bottom, and then I'm going to extend it up a bit. So let's go transform, scale, 1D. There we go, something like that. Now I can mirror it. Okay, and then I'll merge these two together. Okay. And now I'm going to merge that to the main body thing here and the disc on the bottom. Yeah. That looks good. So now we can start adding some fillets. Put some there. And I'll do them on the bottom too, so they're the same. Okay, fillet. No, that looks pretty good. Maybe a little more. Yeah. I'll do the inside part. Oh, that's done. And I'm going to just eyeball that so it looks roughly the same. That looks pretty good, I think. Oops. Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Look at this, that's not actually attached. Alright, let's make a box that goes into there. From that corner, go to the center, and somewhere inside. And then mirror that. And join them. Wait, let's separate, and I'll delete the middle part. Now we can join them. Right. Now, where is it? It's all the way up top. All right, let's make this full screen so I can see what I'm doing. Drag it on down, and I can extrude it up to right there. Yeah, that's good. I'll go back to the split view, and I can select these. Oops. Select these and boolean them. There. I can get rid of this because I don't need it. Okay, it's pretty basic looking and simple. Let's put a hole in the bottom in case there's any liquid that drips off of our cup. Like that. And I'll bring it straight down. And we can Boolean difference that. And there we go. Alright, now we just need to make the attachment parts that go around the tube on the scooter. Okay, so now to make the attachment point, I'm going to make a test version of the pole itself. And I'll make a cylinder. And let's see, I'll pick the base somewhere around here. And it is 19.2 for the radius. And the height, I'll just make it somewhere around there. And I can move it down a bit. Okay, so I'm going to be modeling around that. So let's just name this cup holder. And I'll name this pole. So now I can hide the cup holder for now. And I can model around the pole. Now let's draw a curve. Actually, I'll just do a circle and then I can cut it off. So right there, and make it a little bit bigger. It keeps snapping. Okay. So we're a little bit bigger. And then I can trim that with this. So let's trim with that. And then I can delete both of them. Nope, actually I wanted the other one. Yeah, so let's trim with that. And I want to delete this one. Okay, and then we'll delete that one. So then I'll draw a line out here. Something like that. And mirror it. And we can join these. We'll give it an offset. With capped ends, something like 4-ish millimeters. So now I can extrude that. Let's see where I am up here. There. Do something like that. And just for fun, we'll round the edges to make it look a little nicer. Just get rid of that original
line there. Original shape. Oh, I can't see. There. Okay, now we'll fill it. Ooh, look at that. I don't think we need to go that far because it's bending this part too. So let's make it smaller, say 15 millimeters. Nope, even smaller than that, say 10. That's better. Yeah, it looks nice. Alright, now I'm going to make another one of these. And you know what I'm just realizing is that I need to have a bit of a gap in between these. Just a little bit. So let's cut that off. I'm going to select it, draw a line, going across there, and then we'll bring it up just a hair. There. Okay, now we can cut that off. And we'll delete these end parts. There. So now I can duplicate that. I'll just mirror it. Going across. Oops. Okay. Mirror it. Going across there. Yeah, now we've got just a little bit of a gap inside. Now I can see I probably should have made these bigger so that there's enough room for a screw to go in and clamp them together. Okay, so I just quickly went ahead and made a rough model of the screws that I have, and the nut that I have for the other side is the same width as the top of the screw here. So if I drag that over, I can see it definitely will not fit. So what I'm thinking now is I can grab these and cut off that part, pull it out a little bit, and then fill in the gap. Like that, I think should be all right. And then I'll just mirror that to the other side. Okay, and then we can grab these and Boolean difference, select our cutters, and there. That should be cut off now. Yep. So now I can grab those and pull them out so that there's plenty of space. Yep. And then I'll just fill in that gap there with a box. Let's hide our screw. Just want to make sure that my box is going to be starting at the right spot. There. Okay, I'll just move it over until it snaps. Now I should be able to merge these back together. the Boolean. Oh no, I want union. There we go. I'll just do the same thing on the other sides. Okay, so my idea is that I want to take this bracket and I want to print this one out in TPU so that it'll be soft when it's squished together against the pole. So then I'll be basically duplicating this one to go on the outside here, and I'll do that in regular PLA. So let's make our pole visible again for the moment. And we'll do another circle. Starting there, I'm going to come out and I'm going to make it a little bit outside of there. Okay, and then I'll get a line. And I'm going to start my line right here. I want it to be kind of the same height there, about like that. And then I'm going to come over to this side, make sure it's straight. Okay, and now here's the thing, is our line is now all the way down here at 0, so I want to bring it back up to the top. So bring it straight up, and I'm just going to bring it straight down until it snaps. There. That should do the trick. Okay, now from the top, I can take my circle and I'll trim it using the line. Okay, and so now we've got our circle is cut on the bottom. We can delete that. Now I'll take the rest of this, I'll take the line and we'll trim using the rest of the circle. And then I can delete that middle part. So now I should be able to select all three of these and join them. So now let's just check. Yep, that's all one piece. Okay. This should be a little longer. Let's make these visible. I'm going to grab that one at the end there and drag it out. There. Check over here. I must have accidentally moved something. But anyway, so grab that end, bring it over. Okay, that should be good. So we can grab that now, and I'm going to offset it just about like that. And then this is basically the same as what we had done before. I'll extrude that down to here. And I can delete the edge, the curve at the top. Oops. Okay, select all of those. And this one. Okay, then we should be able to fill it. Curved fillet. And it's matching up perfectly because it remembers what I did last time. Okay. So now let's get our screw here, and I have to figure out Ooh. How to get the hole. Alright, that's pretty good. It's a little tight. Maybe I can move it over a hair. And hopefully that'll be alright. Let's make our hole for the screw, so it'll have to be a little bit bigger than the screw itself. Where's my cylinder here? Let's take, this is the front, let's turn it to back. There we go, so I can see. And there we go. And we'll go back to split view. And there. So, and we can grab this, and we'll boolean the hole out. There we go. That should do it. And actually, I should mirror that over so I can do on both sides. Yeah. Let's mirror that. There. Alright, so now we can select both of those. And we will boolean and select both of our cutters. And there we go. And we can hide our screw. And I'm going to select both of those and mirror them to the other side here. There. Okay, and then since I've got that, I'm also going to make a copy of this to go down lower. So let's make our cup holder visible. And first of all, we can drag that one down here. Whoop. And I'm going to copy and paste and bring this down to maybe around there. Okay, let's hide our pole. And there we go. I'm hoping this is going to be alright. Okay, one last thing I was thinking about that I wanted to do was, I don't know if I can bevel this. Oops. There. Or if it'll let me fillet that. Okay. Can we go further? That's 10, say 15. No. That's the best it's going to let me do. See if I can... No, it won't let me hit that one. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Fillet. No, it won't let me do any more. Okay, that should be good enough, though. Okay. I think we're all ready to print this out. And I hope it works. Alright, I got my cup holder all done. I think it came out great. It's attached, and got my Starbucks coffee. Pop that in there. That seems to be working. Let's go for a ride and see how it holds up. Okay, I've arrived at my destination, coffee in hand, and it worked out pretty darn good. Only one or two drops spilled, but yeah, that worked out really well. On the Hovsco scooter here, I have gone about 45 miles on it total, and I've had to charge it twice. So that's pretty good, I think. It's been tons of fun. Just really just riding all around the neighborhood and town. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. So if you enjoyed watching this video and hopefully learned something, give a like, give me a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time.